Hey guys, this is why we love what we do. We get cars like this. It's a Lamborghini Lambo truck. We did curb rash on the wheel right here. You can't tell where the rash was at, but beautiful car. We got it done for the customer in a couple of hours. We got a BMW next to it. We got an Acura MDX next to it. We got a Dodge over here we're working on, a Mercedes, another Mercedes, big truck. Got a little Mini Cooper. We got a blackout package we're doing on this Cadillac right here, blacking out all the chrome accents. We got a blackout on this Cadillac Escalade right here. This SRT, we're going to do the emblems in red. We're going to do the emblems in red. So we're in the process of prepping it, getting ready to do the emblems in red. So as you can see, the Houston Wheel Repair, we do all types of cars. All wheels are the same to us. We've done them Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, Rolls Royce, Bentley, Porsche, Honda, Toyota, Ford. It's all the same to us. We specialize in wheels. This is what we do. So if you want it done by the professionals, bring it to Houston Wheel Repair. Find us at HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. 713-942-0299.